Hello guys, Salman Naseem here. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to earn as Blender artist. I received a lot of questions about that, so I decided to make a video on it. Today, we'll discover top 4 different ways which helps you to earn as Blender artist. Number 4. Work as affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a billion-dollar industry, and as per my experience are concerned, it is one of most easiest way to earn online. As Blender artist, you will have few affiliate network to work on, like the Blender market, but as per my recommendation, just start with the Amazon. For that, you need a blog which you can create for free on a Blogger or a WordPress, and Pioneer account for payment gateways. Once you have created account on Amazon Affiliate, you will have ability to create affiliate link within every product. For example, you are writing an article on best laptop for Blender users and you find this model are best. Write down little bit about its functionalities and why you think it's best for Blender users. At the end, you will give the link with the title buy on Amazon. Whenever someone visit Amazon with that link, regardless of their purchase, you will get the commission. Here is the example of my recent article on 5 best laptops for content creators, which I created as affiliate user. So link for Amazon Associate and Pioneer is in a description. By monetizing your animated videos or by selling the animation. For the monetization, we have world famous YouTube and Facebook, which allows you to monetize any kind of video you create. That way you can create cash whenever someone views your video with the help of AdSense or ad break. The another way is by having a monetized blog, which we have for affiliate network. We can monetize it with the help of AdSense or even with the Facebook articles. There are several platforms which allows you to sell the animation directly to the customers. I'll recommend you one course on Udemy. Link for that website and course on YouTube and Facebook monetization is in a description. On number 2, we have earn by selling 3D models. There are several websites which allows you to sell your 3D models directly to the customers. The very famous one are Turbo Squad and CG Trader. Hope you people already knows this, as most of the artists definitely buy something from there. The another benefit of working on these kind of websites are you will have the profile from where the customer can check your work and contact you for awarding a project. Again, you can promote these kind of models with the help of YouTube channel and blog. I don't want to go in a depth on which kind of models we will have to create to get the sale. The Blender Guru has recently podcast on this. I will tag that video in a card and the link for these websites are in a description. Number 1 is of course Frelance. That is the top source of earning for most of Blender artists. There are a number of websites which allows you to sell your services to worldwide clients, and Upwork is on top. But for the beginners, Fiverr is best, because that's allow you to create a gig of your skill which acts similarly to any online shop. So if you are a beginner, start with the Fiverr. For freelance, you will have to make yourself a master in any skill. At there we have another question, that how can we learn any skill. For that I will tag a video on an end screen which is a guide for a beginner on how to learn any skill, and another video on top 3 free Blender courses on Udemy. So that is all for today's video. Don't forget to visit beinganimator.com for free animation and cartoon courses. See you in the next video.